He's going to light it up. Now designed that ex-Dean Perkins car as a drift car. And he'll have it totally sideways in front of the black barn. Alright, 3 people, he's coming up the mountain now. Plumes of white smoke as he slides it through, 20 years old. Coming for miles. Oh, here's the police car now chasing him up the road with the siren on. Loving it. That's pretty spectacular, it really is. I tell you what, if you want spectacular, we've still got a little bit more to come because Rod Millen is about to light up the track. Well, we've got the Salika coming up shortly. Yesterday, about 20 metres off the start line down there, Rod Millen had the Salika totally airborne. Off the track. I think it's spun up there. I see Rod.